Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 12 ratio 18. So we are going to divide these two numbers with the number of 2. So 2 6 are 12, ratio 2 9s are 18. So we are going to divide these two numbers with 3. That would be 3 2s are 6, ratio 3 3s are 9. We divided these two numbers with the table of 3, so the answer was 2 ratio 3. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. Send this to someone who needs it, whoever is struggling in maths in the chapter ratio. Please send this to someone, and see you next time. Jazakallah.